Good morning, real estate ninja maniacs. So this will be a super quick video, but if you are or have been looking for a way to have relevant content, blogs put on your website, if you have sites like Boomtown, if you have different popular real estate CRMs like KVcore, I have Chime. I used to have KVcore. I've got videos on this site that train you on KVcore. I love KVcore. I now have Chime, and this isn't a KVcore versus Chime video. It's just simply that's what I'm going to show you on how I do it. If you want to add a killer blog to your CRM, I'm going to walk you through it now, specifically with Chime. Now, for those of you that do not have Chime, watch this video. It's going to be brief. You can do the same thing on your website that I'm going to show you on Chime. You just simply go to YouTube and keyword search your CRM. So search KVcore, how to add keeping current matters blogs to KVcore. Right? There's tons of videos, Boomtown, whatever you have. Just do a keyword search. You'll find it. There's somebody there that has a video for you. But the basics of what I'm going to share with you right now are how you do it. Now, if you love what you see, go below the video. It's a couple of things that you can do to support my channel. First of all, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because that's how I build this channel. And I've got, in my humble opinion, great marketing content, strategies, lead generation for you ninja maniacs. So share this. Also, take this video, go share it on your social media sites to other agents you think that might like it. Go to Facebook. If you belong to some big power groups, share this video because there are a lot of agents that could benefit from what I'm about to share. All right, without further ado, let's jump in and talk about adding a killer blog from Keeping Current Matters to your site. And again, below, a free trial of Keeping Current Matters. Go ahead and grab it. And then you can actually do what I'm showing you right now. You could add that to your site today. All right, so if you have Chime, you're going to log into your dashboard and you're going to go to these four dots right up here, right? This is going to take you to your website. When you click it, yours is probably, if it's the first time, you won't see it. It'll be a different kind of a URL. I bought this domain name and it's attached to my site. So I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to go ahead and edit my website. If you'll notice, there is a blog down here. I'm going to click it. When you come into here, here's the published and scheduled. Here's all of the published blogs that they can look at on my site. Here's something called an RSS aggregator. When you click it, and I've already added my Keeping Current, but you're going to go here, and if you have it, you're going to add a new, right? So you add new, and it's going to bring up this, and it's going to ask you for the RSS feed. So to show you what I mean, let's go ahead and edit this. When you hit add new, it's going to say this. My blog, I call it Ninja News. Now you see this URL, this is an RSS feed. So how do you get that? When you get your free trial to Keeping Current Matters, and guys, I cannot tell you enough on how powerful this site is. It's super inexpensive and it allows you to do so much. I'm not even going to get into it. I'll do another video on this site, but oh my goodness, this site is amazing. What you're going to do is you're going to click blog posts when you have your account set up. And then you're going to scroll down to where you see utilize my RS. You're going to click my feed. And then you're going to copy that address. You're going to come back over here to blog and you're going to drop it right there. Make sure it's published and then hit save. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up on your site. Go back into hitting overview, edit your website. Now, anytime you want to edit your Chime site, they're edited in blocks. So here's the header block. By the way, do you guys like that? I hired a graphic artist. I'm sorry, a freelance drone operator who went out and shot some videos of my hometown, and that's what's on the website. But each of these blocks has these little buttons, and here is the button to edit the site. We're going to go all the way down to the blog site, the Ninja News, right there. If you'll notice, I've got 6 different blog posts at any given time. You're going to hit this. You're going to come down here and you're going to put on maximum quantity. As many, if you want one, it'll just be one big block in the center. I think that's a waste. Minimum, you should do 3 where it does 3 blocks. I like 6 because I like to bring maximum value to the end user, right? So there you go. That's how you do it. And here's where you change. You see it says Ninja News. You can put whatever you want right there. Now, as soon as you do all of that, make sure you hit the word publish. And once it's published, you go back to your website and check it out. And it will amazingly pop up wherever you've got that block positioned. So guys, that's it. That's how you put one of the most amazing blog sites for real estate. Now, we're not talking BS crap like how to trim your bushes to make more money. No, this stuff is the best content I have ever seen, ever. It's not because I use it and I have a link for you to get a free trial. By the way, disclaimer, if you get a free trial, I get a free month. Whoop-de-doo. I mean, I'm not pushing it to get a free month from you. I'm pushing it because this content is that good and you can share it on social media, right? By the way, Keeping Current also has a blog post. It will help you auto post its content on your sites. So I'll leave it at that. The other thing I want to share with you is the reason why you want to have a blog post on your website is people are going to be seeing your stuff. If you're anywhere online, if you've really done a good job in building up your presence, if you show up on Google and you've got a website attached to it, people look at that stuff. And when you have stuff like this on there, it sets you apart from the average real estate generic website. Anyway, enough said about that. Make sure, guys, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, join the channel. Over 6,000, pushing 6,100 now, agents have subscribed to my channel. So thank you from my heart to yours. I built this channel for you, the real estate agent. I'm an agent just like you, and I built this stuff just for you guys. And then make sure if you have already subscribed or if this is your first time subscribed, hit the notification bell. I know you hear that on everybody's video, but here's why. When we drop content, it will show it to you. It will make sure that when you log on to Facebook, or I'm sorry, when you log on to YouTube, it's going to prompt you to take a look at the Ninja's newest marketing stuff, right? So support the channel. And then also, if you are an agent out there and you're struggling, right? You're having a hard time with lead generation. You're having a hard time with conversions. Maybe you're in a position where you're thinking of looking at a different brokerage. Go ahead and private message me or DM me on the comments. I'll send you a link to get on my calendar. My partner and I are on a mission to help leave no agent behind. We are growing our team, and our team isn't growing just to grow. We're growing it because we want agents that partner with us. You don't work for us. You partner with us to have all of the marketing knowledge and skills that my partner and I have developed over the years, the systems that we use. We want to put that into play for you and your business, right? And if you're struggling, we want to help build a roadmap for you guys into the future to achieve your real estate goals. So if that's you and you want to hear about the 8 ways to earn income at Real Broker, yes, my partner and I are at Real Broker. Then I would love to share with you why we moved our business over and see if it might be a consideration for you in the next couple months if you're thinking of moving. Having said all of that, I appreciate you, ninjas. Drop me some comments. Tell me what you thought about this video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day.